Our amazing value Aluminium Carport 372 is a fantastic addition to your home. Ideal for creating a protective, attractive and useful area for your car. It will suit any home with its sleek and attractive design. Tinted twin-wall polycarbonate roof panels and color-coordinated gutter caps and bolt covers. Our carport, unlike many others available online, can be adjusted to suit your needs. The front post, eaves and ridge can all be moved to avoid obstacles like fences and windows. This carport includes many high-quality features, such as heavy-duty profiled aluminium framing throughout, and strong corner brackets for rigidity. The fully adjustable design features a variable roof pitch with four-way adjustment of the posts and eave support. It's incredibly versatile. Strong and durable, this carport is virtually maintenance-free. It is also supplied with full UK instructions and is easy to assemble at home. With its pre-drilled base plates, two-part gutter system, and superb product reviews, this carport is a great choice to help make your outside space your own. Get yours today at Summer Garden Buildings.